Hi, my name is Tammy Morse, and I've been a Bronson Battle Creek OB nurse since 2001. Since 2013, I've been part of the management team as a unit coordinator. I also lead some of our on-site birthplace tours and teach our Starting Together siblings class. Here, I will guide you through a virtual tour of the Bronson Birthplace. The Bronson Birthplace is located on the 4th floor of the hospital at 300 North Avenue. You and your visitors can park in the main lot and enter the building through the hospital doors next to the emergency room entrance. The main entrance is unlocked 24 hours a day, and once inside, you'll be greeted by a friendly Bronson employee who will direct you and your family to the birthplace. All patients will stop at registration to begin the check-in process. Next, patients will be directed to our patient entrance and elevator, just beside the registration area, and will continue up to the elevator of the 4th floor. If you are not the patient, but instead are visiting, we ask that you proceed down the main hallway to the visitor elevators. Take the elevator to the 4th floor and follow the signs to the birthplace. For family and visitors, we offer many food and beverage options in our cafeteria, located on the lower level of the building. Our patients order their meals from a room service menu at their bedside. Our birthplace is locked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for safety and security reasons. Entrance to the 4th floor via the stairwell is also locked. All patients and visitors must gain entrance to the birthplace by pressing the call button. Just beside the entrance to the birthplace is a visitor waiting area where there is comfortable seating, a restroom, television, and vending machine for your convenience. Just inside the birthplace entrance, patients will be directed to finish their registration process. Visitors will be directed to the appropriate area, either the patient's room, if she's accepting visitors, or to the waiting area. After completing the registration process, most patients will be assessed in our labor and delivery triage area by one of our skilled nurses. Your triage nurse will be in close contact with your provider during this time and throughout your stay. Your nurses and providers will team with you and your family to create a safe plan of care. Unlike some other birthing units that are split, our birthplace offers one area where you conveniently stay with your baby: labor, delivery, recovery, and postpartum. Many patients begin their stay in triage, but sometimes patients are admitted directly to a labor and delivery room. Our rooms are private and spacious with all of the necessary medical equipment, but also with the cozy feel of home. In the adjoining private bathroom, many patients enjoy the jetted bathtub for relaxation and comfort. Labor rooms have couches that convert to a table and sitting area, and also fold down into a bed. You will have access to comfort options to support your labor, such as squat bars, birthing, and peanut balls. If a C-section is necessary, you will deliver in one of our state-of-the-art operating rooms. Afterwards, you and your baby will rest and recover in an adjacent room for the remainder of your hospital stay. Instead of jetted tubs, convenient walk-in showers provide the safest care for our cesarean section patients. An anesthesiologist is on site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at Bronson Battle Creek. At Bronson, we take safety and security very seriously. We create matching hospital bands for you, your support person, and your baby. We also have a code alert system that would alarm when a baby passes by the stop sign near the exit doors. There's a circumcision room on site for those who request circumcision for their babies. These surgeries are performed by our newborn hospitalist team. At Bronson, you will room in with your baby if medically appropriate. This means you will stay in the same room with your baby throughout your stay. In the event that your baby needs extra care or medical attention, the Battle Creek Birthplace also has a 10-bed newborn nursery adjacent to our main staff desk and central to the surrounding patient rooms. Finally, the Bronson Battle Creek Breastfeeding Center is conveniently located just outside the birthplace entrance. Our kind and knowledgeable lactation consultants are happy to help with newborn feeding questions throughout your stay and after hospital discharge too. We are also very fortunate to have a supply of donor breast milk from the Bronson Mother's Milk Bank for those babies and families in need. When it's time to go home, our staff will assist you in safely securing your baby in their car seat before you are discharged from the hospital. We'll make sure we've answered all of your questions so that you can get the best start possible at home with your new baby. You will leave via the same patient elevators that you arrived on. If you have prescriptions to fill, you'll notice the Bronson Outpatient Pharmacy conveniently located across the parking lot from the main entrance. From all of us at Bronson, thank you for tuning in to our Bronson Battle Creek Birthplace Tour. We wish you the best in this beautiful journey of pregnancy and parenthood. You can learn more about the birthplace in our childbirth and parenting classes at www.bronsonhealth.com.